Today we're cooking Kimchi Bibim Guksu. You'll need the following ingredients: thin wheat noodles, 1 cup of thinly sliced kimchi fully fermented, 1/4 cup of kimchi juice, 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup or oligo syrup, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. For the garnish, you'll need a boiled egg, chopped perilla leaves, and chopped cucumbers. Boil water in a medium pot to cook the noodles. While you're waiting for the water to boil, make the sauce. Combine the kimchi juice, red pepper paste, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, corn syrup, sesame oil, and sesame seeds together and mix well. When the water is boiling, add the noodles and cook according to the package directions, usually about 3 minutes. Once cooked, drain the noodles into a strainer. Rinse with cold water to cool the noodles down. Combine the noodles and the sauce. Mix well. Garnish with egg, cucumber, and perilla leaves, or whatever other garnish you prefer. And that's how you make a refreshing and spicy Kimchi Bibim Guksu. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below.